Welcome to our comprehensive review on dash cams, the ultimate solution for on-road safety and security. In today's fast-paced world, having a dash cam isn't just a luxury but a necessity. In this video, we'll dive into the world of dash cams, exploring their innovative features, unparalleled advantages, and how they revolutionize your driving experience. Stay tuned till the end for an exclusive surprise, a hands-on demonstration of a top-rated dash cam and a pro tip that can significantly enhance your road safety. Don't miss out on this essential guide to making informed decisions about your driving security. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The ROVE R2 4K nifty gadget boasts some impressive features that could make it your car's perfect sidekick. Let's delve deeper into what makes this dash cam stand out from the crowd. First things first, let's talk about video quality. The ROVE R2 4K captures stunning 2160p resolution videos. The clarity and sharpness are leagues ahead, thanks to its Ultra HD recording capabilities. Trust me, you'll notice the difference compared to other dash cams. One word: convenience. With the ROVE app, managing recordings on your iOS or Android devices is a breeze. Download 4K videos directly to your smartphone at up to 6 megabytes per second. Plus, sharing these memorable moments with friends and family on social media is just a tap away. Tracking your driving route and speed accurately is a game changer. The built-in GPS syncs seamlessly with Google Maps via Wi-Fi, offering a detailed view of your journeys. And hey, free firmware upgrades via the ROVE app ensure you're always up-to-date hassle-free. Prepare to be impressed. This dash cam packs a punch with a supercapacitor, f1.5 apertures, parking mode, motion detection, 150 degrees wide-angle lens, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, and support for up to 512 gigabytes micro SD cards. Customer satisfaction takes center stage here. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the ROVE team is based in the USA, ready to assist with lightning-fast responses. Doubts? Questions? No worries. They've got you covered with a full refund within 30 days if you're not entirely satisfied. In a nutshell, the ROVE R2 4K dash cam isn't just about capturing moments. It's about ensuring peace of mind and top-notch performance. With its impressive features and reliable support, it's a solid choice for safeguarding your journeys. Number 4. This tiny powerhouse might just be the perfect addition to your car's safety setup. Let's explore its features and functionalities. Measuring in at the size of a car key, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 discreetly tucks behind your rearview mirror, capturing incidents without drawing attention. Its sleek design ensures it seamlessly integrates into your vehicle. Equipped with a wide 140-degree lens and Garmin Clarity HDR optics, this cam records stunning 1080p videos, delivering crisp details even in low-light conditions. Day or night, expect exceptional clarity from this little gadget. Speaking of smart, the voice control functionality lets you effortlessly save videos, start or stop recordings, and take photos, all hand-free. Plus, with the parking guard feature, you'll receive alerts for detected incidents around your parked car. Connectivity is a breeze with automatic video uploads via Wi-Fi to Garmin's secure online vault. Access your footage remotely through the Garmin Drive app, allowing live view monitoring and simultaneous viewing from up to 4 dash cams. Enduring tough conditions, this dash cam can handle direct sunlight and high temperatures. Additionally, it comes with a dual USB charger, providing an extra charging port for your devices. In summary, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 packs a punch with its discreet design, impressive recording capabilities, smart features, and seamless connectivity. However, remember to check local regulations before use. If you're after a reliable, compact dash cam, this might just be your perfect road companion. Number 3. The Rexing V1, a sleek, high-definition dash cam that's all about capturing every moment on the road. Let's explore its features and how it performs in our day-to-day adventures behind the wheel. Kicking off our journey with the Rexing V1, this compact powerhouse boasts an impressive 2160p video quality, ensuring crystal-clear footage even at high speeds. Its low-profile design makes it an inconspicuous companion, blending seamlessly into your car's interior. Plus, it supports micro SD cards up to a whopping 256 gigabytes. With its 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens and top-notch WDR technology, the V1 captures a panoramic view of your surroundings. The WDR feature adeptly adjusts exposure for balanced and vivid images, regardless of lighting conditions. What sets the Rexing V1 apart is its supercapacitor technology, resilient against extreme temperatures, ensuring durability and reliability. The parking monitor feature is a game-changer, automatically recording when vibrations are detected or offering a continuous 24/7 time-lapse video with a smart hardware kit. Effortlessly view, save, and share recordings wirelessly on your mobile device via a dedicated app. This convenient feature lets you access and manage your footage on the go, adding an extra layer of convenience. The V1 ensures uninterrupted recording with its loop recording function, automatically overriding older footage when the memory reaches capacity. Moreover, its G-sensor technology locks important videos upon collision detection, safeguarding crucial evidence from being overwritten. In conclusion, the Rexing V1 sets a high standard in the world of dash cams. Its stellar 4K video quality, discreet design, and smart features like the parking monitor and G-sensor make it a reliable and efficient companion on the road. If you're seeking reliability and top-notch performance, this might just be the dash cam for you. Number 2. The Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam is little gadget has been making waves in the rideshare and commuting community, and we're about to find out why. One of the standout features of the Vantrue N2 Pro is its dual lens setup, capturing both the road ahead and the interior of your vehicle simultaneously in stunning 1080p resolution. With a wide-angle view, this cam ensures you've got clear evidence should anything unexpected happen during your rides. Switching to single front mode, the camera elevates its game to 2.5K resolution, delivering sharp details and crisp visuals. You can even toggle to 60 frames per second for smoother video playback in high-speed traffic scenarios, ensuring you don't miss a beat. Worried about low-light conditions? Fear not. The infrared night vision, coupled with a smart HDR video system and a high-quality lens, guarantees flawless footage even in the darkest of car interiors. The 24-hour parking mode, auto LCD off, and robust temperature resilience make this dash cam a reliable companion for various weather conditions and parking situations. Additionally, its loop recording and G-sensor ensure that crucial footage is always safe and accessible when needed. For those seeking extra features, there's an optional GPS for route tracking and speed details, along with a generous 18-month warranty that promises peace of mind and responsive customer service. In essence, the Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam isn't just a gadget, it's your silent witness on the road. Whether you're an Uber driver, a commuter, or a concerned family member, this device offers the assurance and quality you need. With its impressive features, stellar recording capabilities, and reliable performance, it's no wonder why it's the top choice for many drivers out there. So, if you're in the market for a trustworthy dash cam that ticks all the boxes, the Vantrue N2 Pro might just be your perfect match. Number 1. The VIOFO A129 Pro Duo 4K Dual Dash Cam is little gadget promises to revolutionize your driving experience with its Ultra HD Real 4K dual-channel recording capabilities. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The VIOFO A129 Pro Duo is a powerhouse when it comes to capturing the road ahead. With an 8MP IMX317 sensor for the front camera and IMX291 for the rear, it delivers breathtaking clarity at 4K resolution. The level of detail it captures, from street signs to license plates, is simply impressive. What sets this dash cam apart is its ability to record in dual channels simultaneously. While shooting in stunning 4K on the front, it captures 1080p footage on the rear camera. This feature ensures comprehensive coverage, enhancing your overall safety and providing a complete view of your surroundings. The 4K resolution doesn't just offer exceptional video quality, it grants you peace of mind while driving. Its capability to capture finer details could be a game-changer in unexpected situations. Reading license plates and street signs becomes effortless, aiding in potential accident claims or disputes. Navigating through the settings and functions of the VIOFO A129 Pro Duo is a breeze. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive design make it accessible for all users. Mounting and setup are straightforward, ensuring you spend less time fidgeting with settings and more time enjoying its benefits. Built to withstand various weather conditions and extensive use, this dash cam feels solid and durable. Its reliability ensures consistent performance, whether you're driving through scorching summers or freezing winters. You can rely on it to capture crucial moments without fail. To wrap it up, the VIOFO A129 Pro Duo 4K Dual Dash Cam truly stands out with its exceptional 4K recording, dual-channel capabilities, user-friendly design, and durability. If you're seeking a reliable companion for your journeys, this might just be the dash cam for you. So that wraps up our list of the best dash cams in 2024. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our content market family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.